We talk football SA, Orlando Pirates versus Durban City. League final. League ayikaze yaba ne-final. Ngibana ngithini?
Yebo, namhlanje ngiyakutshela ne. After 5 minutes, soba siphethe league. League yethu sibadlalele kudala, sibadlalele last year. League yethu after 5 minutes uzokora ubani umfukeni ne. Okay, it's fine. Asikhulume ungavumela sikhulume ngegame lendeleyo. Okay, le game lendeleyo ne. Sizodlala for fun. Mayidlala for fun ne. Usiphatheni, ube siphathelezi, wabadlala striker. Because iligi yethu siphethe. Iligi yethu. So uMduma uzoba captain ya game lendeleyo kubi Bombela. Ngeqinisa leligi yethu sibambile iligi yethu yokuphela noma kanjani namhlanje after 5 minutes izobe iqedile izobe iphelile konke kuhamba ngeline.
Ngiyabonga mnganami. We talk football SA.